Namaste, dear friends and seekers of spiritual wisdom. Today, we gather to explore the transformative powers of a truly enchanting gemstone, aquamarine. Known as the stone of courage and calm, aquamarine has been known since ancient times, not only for its beauty but for its profound energetic and astrological benefits. Whether you are looking for emotional healing, clearer communication, or spiritual growth, this gemstone can be your guide. Aquamarine derives its name from the Latin words aqua, meaning water, and marina, meaning the sea. Its color ranges from light blue to deep blue, resembling the tranquil ocean waves. In ancient times, sailors wore aquamarine amulets for protection and safe voyages across stormy seas. Today, its reputation as a stone that calms the mind and protects the spirit remains strong. In astrology, aquamarine is associated with the planet Mercury, the messenger of the gods. It resonates with the throat chakra, our center of communication, making it particularly powerful for those who wish to express themselves with clarity and truth. Let's delve deeper into its astrological power. Aquamarine is particularly beneficial for people born under the signs of Pisces, Gemini, and Aquarius. However, its energy is gentle and harmonizing, making it suitable for almost anyone who feels drawn to it. Mercury governs communication, intellect, and reasoning. If Mercury is weak or afflicted in your birth chart, you might face issues like misunderstandings, anxiety, or indecision. Wearing aquamarine helps balance Mercury's energy, bringing calmness to the mind and improving your communication skills. It also enhances intellectual clarity, helping students, teachers, writers, and speakers excel in their fields. Emotionally, aquamarine is like a soothing balm for the heart and mind. In today's world filled with stress and anxiety, this stone helps calm turbulent emotions and brings about inner peace. It encourages letting go of old wounds and emotional baggage that no longer serves you. Spiritually, aquamarine opens up your intuition and helps you trust your inner guidance. It strengthens your connection with higher realms and aids in meditation, allowing you to enter deeper states of consciousness. It is a stone that teaches us the value of stillness and reflection, just as the ocean appears calm on the surface but holds great depth beneath. In the realm of crystal healing, aquamarine is believed to benefit the physical body as well. It is associated with the throat chakra and thus is said to help with throat problems, thyroid imbalances, and respiratory issues. It is also thought to boost the immune system and help with allergies and inflammatory diseases. While we should always rely on medical advice for physical health, wearing aquamarine can energetically support your body's natural healing processes. Now, how should you wear aquamarine to maximize its benefits? Ideally, it should be set in silver or white gold and worn on the little finger of your right hand. This is the finger associated with Mercury. You can also wear it as a pendant close to your throat chakra or as a bracelet to enhance communication and healing. Before wearing it, it is advisable to cleanse the stone of any past energies. You can do this by soaking it in water overnight and placing it under the moonlight. Reciting a mantra for Mercury, such as Om Budhaya Namah, while holding the stone can further empower its vibrations. Many people have shared their transformative experiences after wearing aquamarine. They report feeling calmer, more centered, and better able to express their thoughts and emotions. Relationships have improved, anxiety has diminished, and new creative ideas have begun to flow. Dear friends, if you are seeking peace in your heart, clarity in your mind, and confidence in your voice, aquamarine can be your companion on this journey. It is not just a stone, it is a bridge between your inner wisdom and the outer world. So, I encourage you to welcome the soothing energy of aquamarine into your life. Let it remind you that, like the ocean, you too possess great depths of wisdom and calmness within. Thank you.